Hello students, welcome to English online class. Last class we have seen that prose 3 empowered women navigating the world part 1. So today we are going to see the remaining lesson. So after returning from the voyage, they were interviewed by the interviewer. They asked several questions to the crew members. So they replied different answers. They shared their experience to the people. So the first one, how well were you acquainted with the sailboat before you took up the task? This question the interviewer asked to Vartika Joshi. She was a captain of a vessel. She was a captain. So, acquainted means familiar. Acquainted means familiar. So, how well were you acquainted with the sailboats before you took up the task? So they asked, you have any familiar in that boat, ocean and sea? And she said that actually none of them was familiar in ocean or sailing boats. They didn't sail in the boat as well as in the sea. So after they had undergone training 3 years period, they had learned lots. So after that only they went to the voyage. So before that they did not study, they did not have familiar in this voyage. So after they had undergone 3 years of training, they had learned different things, they went to the voyage. So this is the first question the interviewer asked to Vartika Joshi. She was a captain of a vessel. Second one, can you tell us about the training you had undergone before this expedition? That is Vartika Shruti. The interviewer asked to same the captain Vartika Joshi. So she said, when they want to travel in the sea, they need to face a lot of struggles because sometimes weather it was very rough. In case any the ship it was repaired means they need to solve it. Medical emergencies, as well as they wanted to cook. They need to connect the satellite link. So they have to face a lot of difficulties when they were sailing. So can you tell us about the training you had undergone before this expedition? So all these medical emergencies, okay, if in case wind it was rough means how to face. So all that learned, okay, the training. They were given, okay, some trainings, heavy training. So thereby they learned a lot. So after that only they went to the voyage. Okay, so they faced okay, different training. So after that they went to the voyage. So what was the selection process? Okay, this question asked to Aishwarya, so one of the lieutenant commanders. So what was the selection process? Here nearly 30 members who were participated, 30 members. So among 30 members, 6 crew members were selected. Okay, because it was a hard one. 30, the competition, 30 members. So among 30 members, 6 crew members were selected by the committee. Okay, so the competition it was very heavy, but still these 6 members were selected by the committee. So what was the selection process? This is the selection process. The competition was heavy. And fourth one, how did your family members react when you told them about this expectation? So this question asked to comment. This question asked to Vartika Joshi. She was a captain. So first, in the beginning stage, the family members couldn't accept, because all they were first of all women, as well as among 6 members, 4 of them were living in mountains, okay, hills area. They didn't see the ocean, they didn't see the ship, they didn't see the sea, anything. They couldn't familiar about anything. So in the beginning stage, the family members did not allow them. So after they had seen their performance, okay, in the Navy, the family members allowed them to go to the voyage. Okay, first in the beginning stage they refused. So after that they accepted. So in this, during the training period, the commander Dilip Dante, she was a commander Dilip Dante. She was monitoring the crew members. Okay, so the crew members were monitored by Dilip Dante. Okay, so after they did a lot of training, they went to the voyage. And question number 5. So what were your aims and how did you work to achieve them? So this question interviewer asked to Vartika Joshi. She was a captain. So what were your aims and how did you work to achieve them? Actually, it is not a destination. Okay, she said that it is not a destination to reach one place to another place. It is a nice journey. Okay, they would like to travel. Yes, so it is a journey. So on the way, whatever it happens, okay, so they go with a confident. So it is not a destination, it is a journey. So she replied to the interviewer. And question number 6, name that one quality of yours that enabled you to complete this expedition successfully. So they asked to the Vartika Joshi, so name that one quality you have enabled you to complete this expedition successfully. So in the ocean, the boat which was sailing only by that wind. The wind it comes means the boat which was moving very slowly in the correct path. If the wind it has been dropped means the couldn't start the engine. So at the time, the critical situation, so the Vartika Joshi, she had given the confidence to other crew members, couldn't start the engine and it has reached to 1 mile. Okay, so because she was a captain of the crew members, she only has to give the confidence to other members. So if in case the wind it has been dropped means, so couldn't able to start the engine. So at the time, she has a strong aim to reach the place, minimum 1 mile to reach the place without start the engine. So in the meanwhile, okay, so the interviewer asked one question to Aishwarya, so one of the lieutenant commander. She said that before they were traveled by the INSV, they did some training in INSV. That is the one of the boat name, INSV Magadhi. They traveled to Mauritius, the place in year 2016 to 2017. So at the time they learned different experience. So after that only they traveled by the ship INSV. So before that they traveled in the ship INSV. Also they learned So some experience they learned in INWTC in Kochi. So that is Indian Naval Warship Training Center in Kochi. Here also they were trained. So they learned different experience in this place also. So these are the different questions the interviewer asked to the Captain Vartika Joshi as well as Aishwarya, one of the lieutenant commander. So they shared their experience to the interviewer. Can you understand these 6 questions? How they had responded to the interviewer? Yes? So 7th question, as the head of the group, how did you involve the team? So this is the question interviewer asked to the captain. So sailed and trained in the same way. So all the 6 crew members, they sailed and trained in the same way. So the captain's view, it was easy to handle others because they trained in the same way, they sailed in the same way. So the captain's job was, it was very easy to handle other group members. And also discuss different ways of solving a problem and choose the best one. So they were thinking differently. They are giving their ideas and finally they had taken the best one. Because all the 6 members, they had given different ideas. So finally they discussed among themselves and took a final decision. So the Captain Vartika Joshi's job, it was very easy to handle the others. So the next one, Payal Gupta said, teamwork. So it is a teamwork. So when the storm arose, 3 out on watch. So 3 people went outside, watch on the climate weather situation, and other 3 eat the water and eat the gloves. Because it was a raining season, they wanted to heat the water as well as they wanted to heat the gloves. So next one, share your experience about the most challenging task while sailing in the sea. So when they were traveling, the sea is nearly 9 to 10 meters high. So they wanted to overcome the difficulties because the sea's level, it went very high, nearly 9 to 10 meters. So all the 6 members, they were discussing and overcome the difficulties. So this was the most challenging task they had faced. And how adventurous was your trip? So how adventurous was the trip? Interviewer asked to the captain. When they were crossing Tasman Sea, they had seen the brilliant southern lights from the sea. So it was happening very rarely. So suddenly they had seen the Tasman Sea brilliant southern lights from the sea. So it was a good memory to the group members. Also they had seen the dolphin swimming and they had seen the variety of creatures. So these were the adventurous things they had seen in the sea. 10th one, the interviewer asked the group members, how did your group spend time in the deep sea? So what are the events which were taking place when they were traveling in the sea? So these are some sweet memories. First, they were cooking and they did some handicraft work, and the captain read some comics stories as well as Ramayana, and she illustrated to other group members, as well as they had seen movies, listened some good music, and celebrated Diwali and 3 birthdays, as well as including the INSV Tara Dharani's boat's birthday. So birthday of boat. So these are the important events, some sweet memories they spent in the sea. Okay. Next one, what motivated you fulfill the country expectation, face the situation boldly? So they faced the situation very boldly. They did not afraid of anything because whole country would watch them. So at the same time also, they did not afraid of anything. They faced the situation very boldly and handled the situation correctly in perfect manner. So because of courageousness, they faced the difficulties very easily. And finally, 12th one, so even though they were women, they went to the voyage and succeeded their attempt. After 254 days, they returned to Goa. They completed their journey successfully. So it was a great boost to the women. Yes, so it is a great boost the all the women. So they are the best example of entire nation. All the women and men had supported them. They are the example of others, and it is a great boost to the women. So in empowered woman navigating the world. So what is the main theme? What is the main moral of the lesson means woman can achieve anything in this world. Woman can achieve anything in this world. So this is the moral and the theme of the prose. Okay, so at present time the woman can participate in all the fields and they are developing more and more. So in the world women can achieve anything. So this is the moral and theme of the prose. Thank you students. Go through the textual lines once. Definitely you can understand. Study well. We will see you in next class. Thank you.